and welcome. This is Shanna today for Trinity Stamps with a brand new stamp and die set for the Bright Side release called Treetop Adventures. It is a 4x8 stamp set that totally is adorable and gets you all ready for a card making adventure with the fun 19-piece stamp set. The largest stamp is the tree in the treehouse, and it measures approximately 6 3/4 inches tall and 4 inches wide. The images are all adorable, with 4 little children, the largest measuring approximately 1 1/8 inch tall. But let's look at it all stamped out. The treehouse is perfect for your summer adventure scene building. The kids can have a birthday party, be pirates on a pirate ship, play on the tire swing, and much more. Now let's go ahead and die cut them out. There are a total of 21 coordinating dies to the Treetop Adventure stamp set. Special features with the dies include 3 border dies that cut around the tree and the additional little 3 leaves that you can add more leaves to the tree with. Speaking of those special border dies, let's go ahead and cut out a tree. The 3 dies coordinate to extend the tree off your card, so it will not cut an entire tree shape, rather the negative space around the tree. The longest one goes across the top of your card. And then the 2 smaller ones align perfectly in the negative space around the bottom of the tree. This allows you to layer your die cut tree on top of maybe an ink blended background, or even with some creative partial die cutting, create a peekaboo card where you're seeing the inside of your card beneath the tree. I'll speed this up, but as you can see, once removing the dies, you're left with a perfectly cut tree that allows you to do a myriad of things with. Perfect for all your summertime adventure cards. I hope you found this video helpful for using your new Treetop Adventure stamp and die set. To wrap things up, I'm going to leave you with some creative team inspiration. They've done some amazing things with the stamp set. Be sure to like and subscribe us here on YouTube to keep in touch, and follow us along over on Instagram and on our Facebook inspiration group as well. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe and stay crafty.